Muna తిన్నాను తిన్నా టీ తాగాను టీ తాగాను ఆపు ఎక్కడ కొంచెం చేసింది Good evening, this is Abdas, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department from the Chevron Engineering College. What is the subject with the hydraulics and hydraulic machine? Today's topic is topic number 44 from Unit 5. Here hydraulics turbines 1 is there. This is not, this is wrong. In Unit 5, now I am teach the topic from the pumps. Hydraulics turbines 1 అని ఉంది అది కాదు పంప్స్ అనే టాపిక్స్ రిలేటెడ్గా చెప్తున్నాను టుడేస్ టాపిక్స్ నేమ్ ఈస్ యూనిట్ క్వాంటిటీస్ అండ్ use of unit quantities and problems. Unit quantities, use of unit quantities and problems. Today's topics are unit quantities and use of unit quantities and the problems. Unit quantities. In order to predict the behavior of turbine working under varying conditions of head speed, output, and gate opening, the results are expressed in terms of quantities, which may be obtained when the head on the turbine is reduced to unity. Turbine work చేసేటప్పుడు వేరియస్ కండిషన్స్ అంటే హెడ్ స్పీడ్ అవుట్పుట్ అండ్ గేట్ ఓపెనింగ్ Three important quantities are there. These are unit speed, unit discharge, and unit power. These are speed in the turbine, the speed and the discharge of it's blowing in the turbine and the power produced by the turbine were taken into the in the amount of unit. Unit means per 1 meter head we calculate the speed in the turbine per 1 meter head we calculate the discharge per 1 meter head or per 1 meter head we calculate the power we calculate the power. So first one you see the unit speed. It is depend on the speed of a turbine working under the unit head. It means we calculate the speed of the turbine which is working in under a unit head. That is under head means 1 meter. For 1 meter head, we are calculating the speed of the turbine. So it is denoted by n suffix u. Expression for unit speed is the expression for unit speed is n suffix u. N suffix nu. where n is the speed of a turbine under a head h. Speed of a turbine under head h. H is the head under which turbine is working. V equal to tangential velocity అంటే టర్బైన్ హెచ్ అనే యూనిట్ హెడ్ దగ్గర ఎంత స్పీడ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. హెచ్ అంటే అండర్ హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ది హెడ్ అండర్ వచ్చి టర్బైన్ వర్కింగ్ 1 మీటర్ హెడ్ దగ్గర టర్బైన్ అంతా వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఇవంటే టాంజెన్షియల్ వెలాసిటీ. Tangential velocity means absolute velocity of water and head on the turbine. Tangential velocity అంటే absolute velocity on the head of the turbine. U is here small u. Tangential velocity is directly proportional to absolute velocity. Where v equal to v is directly proportional to root h. So substitute in the place of v root h, u is directly proportional to root h. Also tangential velocity nu equal to pi d. Nu means pi d n by 60. The d equal to diameter of the turbine. The diameter d is constant. So here d is constant. Nu is directly proportional to n, or n is directly proportional to nu. So n is directly proportional to root h. From 1, nu is directly proportional to h. So n is also directly proportional to h. In the new place we are substituting the root h. So removing this proportionality, we are image the constant k1. N equal to k1 into root h. N equal to k1 into root h. In the place of directly proportional, we are substituting the value k1. N equal to k1 root h. K1 is the constant of proportionality. K1 is the constant of proportionality. When head on the turbine becomes unity, we are taking head is unity. Speed becomes unit speed. Head means h equal to 1. Where n equal to n suffix u. Capital N equal to speed equal to unit speed n suffix u. Substituting these values in equation 2. In equation 2, n equal to k1 root h. In the place of n, we substitute the nu k1. In the root h place, we substitute the 1.0. So root of 1.0 equal to 1. So 1 into k1 equal to 1 k1. So nu1 equal n1 n suffix nu equal to k1. Substitute these values in k1 in equation 2. So n equal to nu1. K1 means k1 equal to n nu. So in the place of k1, substitute the value n nu root of h. So we require to calculate n nu unit speed. So n nu equal to n by root h. This is the expression for find out the unit speed value n u. N suffix u equal to n by root h. Next one, unit discharge. This depends on the discharge passing through a turbine which is working under a head of 1 meter. So 1 meter head దగ్గర ఎంత డిశ్చార్జ్ టర్బైన్లో ఉండి పాస్ అవుతుంది దాన్ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడాన్ని యూనిట్ డిశ్చార్జ్ అంటారు. ఇట్ ఈస్ డిపెండ్ బై ఆ సింబల్ ఆఫ్ క్యూ సఫిక్స్ యూ. క్యూ సఫిక్స్ యూ అనే సింబల్తో యూనిట్ డిశ్చార్జ్ని డినోట్ చేస్తారు. The expression for unit discharge is the expression for unit discharge is the expression for unit discharge is here h equal to head of water on turbine, q equal discharge passing into the turbine, When H is H calculation turbine, small area equal to area of the flow of water. Small area equal to area of flow of water. The discharge passes through a given turbine on the head H Q equal to area of flow into velocity. Q equal to area of flow into velocity. But for a turbine, area of flow is constant. Velocity is proportional to root h. Q is directly proportional to velocity and directly proportional to root h. Q equal to K2 root h. K2 root h is K2 is constant for proportionality. K2 is constant for proportionality. So h equal to 1. Q equal to unit discharge QU. Substituting these values in equation 3, QU equal to K2 into root of 1.0 equal to K2. So substituting values of K2 in equation 3, get Q equal to QU root H. QU equal to, you need to find out the QU expression. QU equal to Q by root H. Q by root H. This is the expression for unit discharge. Next, unit power. It is defined as the power developed by a turbine working under a unit head means under a head of 1 meter. 1 మీటర్ యూనిట్ హెడ్ దగ్గర ఒక టర్బైన్ లోకుండా ఎంత పవర్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుందో దాన్ని యూనిట్ పవర్ అంటారు. ఇట్ ఈస్ డినోట్ బై సింబల్ ఆఫ్ పీ సఫిక్స్ యూ. ఇది పీ సఫిక్స్ యూ అనే సింబల్తో డినోట్ చేస్తారు. ద ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఫర్ యూనిట్ పవర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ హెచ్ నుండి హెడ్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఆఫ్ ది టర్బైన్. పీ ఈజ్ ది పవర్ డెవలప్డ్ బై టర్బైన్ under head of H. Discharge Q equal to discharge to turbine under head H. The overall efficiency here do not equal to power developed by water. Power developed means taken as P. Water power means rho into G into Q into H by 1000. P equal to do not into rho into G into Q into H by 1000. Q is directly proportional to root H. So P is directly proportional to Q into H. In the place of Q is substitute the root H. So P is directly proportional to root H into H. Here root means 1 by 2. H root converted into 1 by 2. Here suffix is 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to H. P is directly proportional to H power 3 by 2. So here instead of proportionality we are taken as constant P equal to K3 H power 3 by 2. K3 is a constant of proportionality when H equal to 1 meter. P equal to unit power P suffix U. P suffix U equal to K3 into the instead of place of H substitute the value of 1. 1 equal to 1 power 3 by 2 equal to K3. Substituting the values of K3, the equation 4, P equal to PU into H power 3 by 2. You need to find out the PU value. PU equal to P by H power 3 by 2. This is expression for finding the unit power. This unit quantities. Unit quantities means unit quantities are N suffix U, Q suffix U, P suffix U. If the turbine is working under different heads, the behavior of the turbine can be easily known from the values of unit quantities. That is from the values of unit speed, unit discharge, and unit power. H1, H2 are the heads under which turbine works. N1 and N2 are the corresponding speed. Q1 and Q2 are the discharge. P1 and P2 are the power developed by the turbine. So these are the unit quantities. N equal to unit speed. Unit speed equal to N1 by root H. H1 equal to N2 by root H2. Unit discharge QV equal to Q1 by root H1 equal to Q2 by root H2. Power P1 unit power P sub Q equal to P1 by H1 power 3 by 2 equal to P2 by H2 power 3 by 2. The speed discharge and power developed by turbine under head are known. Then by the equation of speed, discharge and power developed by the same turbine under a different head can be obtained easily. So these three are the unit quantities. Next problem on the unit quantities. The turbine develops the power. Power is given 9000 kilowatts and running at 10 rpm. Capital N equal to speed of the turbine 10 rpm. The head on the turbine is 30. Capital H equal to 30. The head on the turbine is reduced to 18 meters. Determine speed and power developed by the turbine. పవర్ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చాడు P1 వాల్యూ 9000 కిలోవాట్స్ స్పీడ్ వాల్యూ N1 ఇచ్చాడు 100 ఆర్పిఎం హెడ్ H1 ఈక్వల్ టు 30 మీటర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు H2 18 మీటర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు స్పీడ్ N2 కనుక్కోమన్నాడు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద స్పీడ్ N2 స్పీడ్ కనుక్కోమన్నాడు P2 స్పీడ్ కనుక్కోమన్నాడు ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ యూస్ చేసుకొని యూనిట్ క్వాంటిటీస్లోని ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనం N2 కనుక్కోవాలి యూనిట్ క్వాంటిటీస్లోంచి ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనం P2 వాల్యూ కనుక్కోవాలి N2 ఈక్వల్ టు సో ఈ వాల్యూ ఇప్పుడు కావాలి కాబట్టి ఈక్వల్ టు ఎవరిని తీసుకొస్తే N2 ఈక్వల్ టు N1 ఇంటూ రూట్ H2 క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఇంటూ రూట్ బై root H1. So N1 equal to in the place of N1 you substitute the value of 100 and the H2 value is root 18 and the H1 the value substitution root 30. This value is 77.46 rpm. Next you need to record find out the P2 value. So here cross multiplication P1 into H2 whole power 3 by 2 by H1 3 by 2. Substitute the values power value 9000 into H2 value 18 whole power 3 by 2. H1 is value 30 whole power 3 by 2. This value is 4182.84 kilowatts. This is the problem on the unit quantity. Thank you for giving opportunity.